Here's how to convert any video file to MP4. Now what we want to do is, if you're on PC, you want to open your Microsoft Store, and I'm assuming you're on PC if you're watching this video. Now once you open your Microsoft Store, you want to search up VLC, so go ahead and type VLC, and then you're gonna see the VLC app in here. Go ahead and press on it, and then go ahead and click install. It's completely free to install it, you don't have to worry about anything, and this is done through your Microsoft Store, so it's extra safe to do so. Now let's go ahead and wait for this to finish installing. Now once VLC has finished installing, you can go ahead and close the Microsoft Store, and you should see VLC Media Player on your desktop, but you could also search it up down here on the search bar. Just go ahead and type VLC, and then you should get the media player, which we're gonna go ahead and open. Now once you open the VLC, you might get this prompt in here. I'm not going to allow anything on this, but you're free to read through it, and if you agree, you could go ahead and allow it, but I'm not going to do it because that's not what I'm here for. Now once we open the media player, guys, to convert our video file, what we need to do is go ahead and head over to media, and now click where it says convert/save down here, and that is going to open this menu here. And what you want to do is go ahead and drag and drop that file that you want to convert into here. So you could just go ahead and drag it from your desktop or whatever you have it into here. Now once this file is in here, you're going to click on it, and you're going to click where it says convert/save down here, and you're going to get this option in here. Now make sure you have the right source file. If you went ahead and drag and drop it into here, it should be the correct one. Now you want to choose convert under settings, and then where it says profile in here, you want to press in there, and you're going to look for MP4. Make sure it says MP4 at the end, click on it, and now you want to choose where you want this file to save. I'm gonna go ahead and save it on my desktop as well. I'm gonna name this one converted video, just so I know, and now hit save in here, and now you guys could click where it says start. Give it a couple seconds as the conversion will take a bit. As you can see in here, mine was pretty fast. That is it, guys. After your file has converted, you could go ahead and close VLC Media Player, and now you can see your new converted file in here. As you can see, this is a .mp4 file, and this is a .mkv file, which we converted successfully to MP4. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.